What is up, guys? It's your boy Gizmo Guru. Today, I have some exciting news to share about the highly anticipated WhatsApp Edit feature. This is a game changer that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into the WhatsApp Edit feature. It's a long-awaited addition to the app that allows you to edit messages you've already sent. Finally, no more cringing at those embarrassing typos or incomplete information. The power to make corrections is now in your hands. Using the WhatsApp Edit feature is super simple. Just long press on the message you want to edit, and voila! Tap on the Edit button that appears, and you can make all the necessary changes. Once you're satisfied, hit that Send button and watch your message transform. However, it's important to be aware of a couple of limitations. The Edit feature is available for up to 15 minutes after sending the message, so make sure you act swiftly if you spot an error. Additionally, keep in mind that the recipients will know if you've edited a message. They'll see the word edited next to it, ensuring transparency in your conversations. Overall, the WhatsApp Edit feature is a game changer. It's a powerful tool that saves you from the agony of irrevocable mistakes and helps you provide clearer communication. If you haven't already done so, I highly recommend updating your WhatsApp to the latest version. You won't want to miss out on this fantastic addition. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay connected for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time.